So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to make mango compote first, and then we are just going to use the mango compote and then set them into smaller hemispheres, which we are going to use in another cake, where we are going to add them in the filling. That's going to make the cake look really very beautiful. Okay, to start with, I have the ingredients ready here. That is mango, fresh mango that's just been the skin has been removed and the seed has been removed, and then we had the pulp, the fruit pulp, and then pureed that in the food processor, which is nothing but mixie, and then have like a smoother mango puree, and then that's sugar, that's pectin, and that's lime juice. Okay, so I'm just going to start the stove and add the pureed fresh mango. To that, I'm adding the sugar, the lime juice, I'm going to add the pectin in as well. So you want to wait until the sugar will melt, and then again it is going to thicken. When the sugar melts, it's going to become watery in the beginning, and then it will turn thick as we keep cooking. So I want to cook it furthermore and then make it thick, because you're going to use them as hemisphere inserts, right? When you're going to cut the cake, it depends on whether you want to keep this loose, and when the cake is being cut, you want the compote to be oozing out, or you just want it to be set well. So it depends on how much you're going to cook the compote and make it thick at this stage. So as it is getting thicker, we need to switch over to the wire whisk from the spatula. So it's just boiling. You can see the bigger bubbles throwing up. So this will further thicken after it's cooled down. So I'm just going to stop it and then take it from the flame. So this is what we are going to have. So I'm just going to allow this to cool down a bit, so I'll be able to transfer this into piping bags before I could fill them on the hemisphere molds.